Okay, I am unboxing my Pat McGrath today, and this is my duo, my Star Trek duo, and finally, and I'm unboxing it. It's been sitting on my dining room table for a while, and actually I'm in Canada, and this, I believe, because we don't get charged any duties for this and free shipping. Pat McGrath is amazing that way. So us Canadians, it's a great way to shop. And also, I have a feeling it's coming from a distribution site in Mississauga. So it's actually being shipped from Mississauga, which is right in my neighborhood. I'm next to Mississauga, so look at this. Okay, so this is so funny. I'm actually liking this better than her other one. This to me reminds me of Medusa hair. The Medusa hair, oh my god, my cats would have a field day. I have to be very careful because I don't want them to be eating it, so but I do save it, so this is so much fun. Okay, so we're opening it up and we're pulling it out. Here is the first one, and I like the way that it's packaged in this, the bubble wrap, so it's extra protected. And this one is the Dark Galaxy. This is so cool. She didn't do the tri-fold with the fun. I kind of like that, but I kind of like the sleekness of this too, because it's easier. It's actually easier to store. And then we've got this on the back. This is made in the USA instead of Italy. The small ones, the small palettes are made in the USA. And then we go here, and this is, I learned this is Sith Trooper. The Stormtroopers and the new ones are called Sith Troopers. I have no idea what they are. I don't know whether they're good or bad. They're for the Empire or against the Empire. I don't know what Empire. I forgot. I read it and I forgot. And then, okay, these are the names. This okay, so is what it looks like. I'll show you the back close up too. Okay, so we're gonna get inside. Here we go. Can I do it right? Wow. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, so you can see it, this is upside down, this, because I opened it up before and the darn thing wouldn't come out. And is it doing that again to me? Yes, it is. Here we go. So let me put this, so this is the legend. This is the legend. And is it in the right place? No, we've got to do it this way. Okay, so I'm gonna put the legend in the mirror, and now you can see me. Now you know all my secrets. Okay, so this is what it looks like, you guys. It's amazing. It looks even better in real life. Let me just see which is the most glitteriest, because I'm looking beyond the camera so I can show you which is the most, tell you which is the most glitteriest. This one here is the most glitteriest, and this is Odyssey. It is way better in person. You have no idea. Oh my gosh, I'm going to try and give you the true colors because it's not even showing, my camera is not even showing the colors perfectly. It's so much prettier in real life. Okay, so I'm going to give you the names. So this one up here is Cosmic. This one down here is Smoked Amethyst, which is a repeat. This one up here, the only matte, is called Venomous Void. This one down here is called, this is the most glitteriest, and this one is called Odyssey again. And then this one is another beautiful glitter one, which is called Saturnalia. I gotta refresh my camera. Look at that. And then this one, she always, Mother Pat always puts a gold in her palettes, and this one is called Bronze Nebula. Oh my god, it's so much brighter and even more beautiful and more glittery in real life. So this one and this one is the most glitteriest, shimmeriest, and it has both pink and even a little bit of green glitters, both of them. Anyway, so these palettes are not going to have the specialty razzle dazzle shadows in them. But sometimes you don't want to razzle dazzle completely. Sometimes you just want a molten look. So this is going to give you that beautiful molten magnetic metallic look and look beautiful and gorgeous. And then you can razzle dazzle later. So this is the first one. I'm going to swatch them later. Here's the next reveal. And this one is called Galactic Gold. And this one has C3PO on it. Look at it. Look at the back. Look at C3PO. He's so cute. He's so cute. Okay, here we go. Oh my goodness. And look at the logo, that kind of like hieroglyphic logo. Ah, so amazing. Now let's see whether we can open it up. Here we go. The great reveal. Oh my God. I don't know which one I love better. They're both so beautiful. Oh my gosh. Okay, now if I can get the insert out, this is going to be a struggle bus, y'all. Let's see. I don't want to break my beautiful shadows. Come on now. I also don't want to break my nail polish either. Okay, we're going to have to do this. Ooh, gently. Gently. So we're going to put it up here. Okay. Oh my goodness. Look, you guys. Again, the camera is not picking up as vibrant and as oh, look. You see that? You see that glitter? You see that pink, purple, pink glitter? Jeez, man. And then that gold standard, it is a repeat. This one here is another repeat, bronze. And then this one here is another repeat, corruption. Oh, and look at this galactic gold. Oh my gosh, that looks so... Oh my gosh, it is not picking up the golden hue. It's like a buttercup. Oh my God, my camera is not doing this color justice. This is literally a buttercup butterscotch gold. It is amazeballs, and it also has golden and even green glitter in it. It is unbelievable. That is a beautiful, unique gold. Mother Bat, you outdid yourself. Last. And this bronze is beautiful because it's like an orangey bronze. Right up my alley. And again, I want to almost throw away this damn camera because it's just not picking up what I want it to pick up. Because it's not showing the orangey bronzeness as much. Maybe if I turn off the light. Let me see whether I can... I think this does it better. Okay, I think it's doing it a little bit better. Oh, there, you see it now? That's the true color. That's almost the true color. Lord have mercy, it's so beautiful. Here you go, okay? So I'm just showing you, and gold standard is always gonna be an amazing yellow gold color, which again is not being picked up until I do this. There we go, you're getting the true colors that way. Oh, and that duochrome, what is that one called again? Oh my God, what is it called? I put it in backwards. Let's see. Electric. Why did I forget that? Electron? No, it's called electric. Oh, I'm totally. Oh my God, it's called electric or something. Oh my God, I'm so waffling. Okay, so this one is a beautiful duochrome. Oh my God, it's so amazing. Okay, so I'm really delighted in this palette. I don't know which one I love better. I love them. You know, like when you have two children and you love them equally, all for different reasons. They have such specialness in and of themselves that you just adore them and love them for each of their specialness. This is like this. This is like these palettes, okay? This is it. Let me see whether I can open this one up and do the same so we can have it side by side, up and down. Oh, let me put this over here. So here we go. So this is raw footage, okay, you guys? This is not clean and polished like a YouTube, but this is what we want here. Oh, I just love this. I love them. Mwah, mwah. Chef's kiss. Mwah.